In this video, we unbox and test the wltoys Cross Country. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this four-wheel drive Cross Country from wltoys. So it's waterproof, it's 2.4G, it does 50 kilometers an hour, which is roughly 31 mile an hour, and we will see with a GPS if it really is. It's 12 scale, and it's four-wheel drive. Alright, let's crack him open. Subscribe. Oh, check it out. So, what you get in the box is car, battery, radio, charger, instructions. The only thing it doesn't come with is 4 AA batteries. Oh, what do you reckon, guys? So yeah, at first look, all the plastics are super flexible. So hopefully that means it's not really going to break that easily. Also, having a quick look over it, it looks like it's got steel drive shafts at the front. The rear one has metal ends, but this middle bit's actually plastic. These hinge pin braces actually look really substantial. Now another thing that I noticed, it is really bouncy. Could probably do putting some oil in the shocks. I first thought maybe they're not oil filled, but looking at the instructions, you can put oil in them, and we'll do that in a future video. So just as a quick size comparison, here's a 1/8 scale buggy, and here's the tiny little small wltoys A959, and here it is compared to the X-Max. So we're looking at around about 15 inches long, 9 inches wide, and just under 7 inches tall. And the instructions are actually really clear, and you can buy all the spare parts for these as well. Radio wise, it's just your basic 2-channel. So the battery is a 7.4 volt, 1500 milliamp Li-on. The same sort of things that they run in a Tesla, I think, maybe not. All right, let's get it charged up and then see how well this thing's gonna rip. All right, so while that's charging up, let's get the rest of it ready. Alright, so we can't actually see the motor in there, it's quite buried, but looking at it, it's just a brushed motor. But if these other brushed wltoys have got anything to go by, it might actually be pretty quick, we'll see. Actually, look, you can see the motor poking out just there. It looks like a 540 size motor, which for something that size is actually pretty big. Alright, so I'm going to let that charge, have my tea, then I'll put you back on. Alright, battery's charged, but I didn't really pay attention, so I don't know how long it took. It's been on here for 3 hours, but it's probably charged like a couple of hours ago, who knows. I'll let you know in a future video, guys, how long it takes to charge. Check it out, it's even got headlights. Guys, I'm surprised how fast that servo is. Check that out. It's even got a bit of power behind it. Oh! Oh, we're stuck. Hey, we're back, we're back. Wonder if it'll backflip, what do you reckon? Yeah. I started slow. Oh, I nailed it! Well, if you do it fast. Oh, let's check that out in slow motion. Nah. Off the bench. Oh, well, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Oh God, I want to jump it off of there to see how well it holds up. But I've got no spare parts, so we're going to do that in another video. I don't want to break it just yet, otherwise there's no more testing. By the way, if you do ever break it, all the spare parts are easily available from places like Banggood. And you can get all your spares, all your upgrades, and all the parts are relatively cheap. Four-wheel drive, baby. Alright, let's check it out on a little hill climb. Oh, straight up. I got up there easy. We can make that steeper. What? I'm amazed. That is steep. Let's get the angle meter. 52 degrees, guys. wltoys versus staircase. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh. Alright, we'll try that again. Here we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh. But it takes it. It even makes tyre noises. Can we jump it out of a monster truck chassis? Hey! Alright, let's make this ramp a bit steeper. Oh! The good thing about this being so flexible is that it takes all the bad landings really well. Watch. Alright, let's get it outside. Burn out? Ah, cut out. Uh-oh. I've broken it. Hey, so it's got a safety cutout in there by the looks of it. That's good. Because what that means is if you overload it, a lot of RC cars, they'll just burn out. But this will just cut out. So all you've got to do is turn it on and off. Let's try that again. Yeah, so it's overloaded, cuts it out. All you got to do, on, or off, and on. And it's alive again. Car crash. Guys, honestly, so far I'm impressed. I wasn't really expecting much, but it's fairly fast. It gets over obstacles, it jumps, it kind of crawls. It's not a proper crawler, but it still gets over obstacles. And it's durable. You know, I was jumping it off of things, I was crashing it into things, and I think the thing is, look, it's only take a dirty side landing, look, it all flexes. So it just sort of absorbs everything. So when you crash, it all just kind of moves around, and bends back. So I'm going to put a link to where you can get this beast in the description box down below. Also, subscribe! Oh, I took it! Oh, I took it! Oh, I took it out! All right, so GPS time. What do you reckon?
28.
28. Yeah, I'll go with that as well.
25.
That's never what it says. You alright? How you doing? Yeah, not bad. Well, if I'm going to blast it back this way, you got to keep it. Oh! So that was already 22 miles an hour. I wasn't even going for it. Oh, that's full speed. Full speed. What do you reckon? I reckon 25. 24.7. Well, that's not quite 30. Sam's had a bright idea. The power is in the air. Oh, nose plant. Oh, landed on the head. Yes.
Oh, Ted, does it not go backwards?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Hey! Nice. Mate, I like this toy.
So bad points so far. Honestly, not really that many. I mean, it needs some oil in the shocks. It's a little bit bouncy. So we're going to do that in another video. Also, it could do putting some thicker grease in the diffs, because when you're trying to crawl, it does kind of take the power away from the wheel that's on the floor and puts it to the one in the air. But both the shocks and the diff oils, it's an easy thing to do. We're going to do all that in a future video. So, as with all my other RC cars, it's going to get a lot more rigorous testing. It's going to go to skate parks. We're going to take it through the woods. We're going to take it to the BMX track. We're going to jump it. We're going to crash it. We're going to beat it. We're going to push this thing to its limits to see how strong it really is. But so far, guys, I'm impressed. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.